If you're on the hunt for a powerful and affordable smartphone, then the Poco F5 might just be your perfect match. But before you hit that buy button, let's break down the top 5 reasons why you should seriously consider the Poco F5. Number 1 on the list is the Poco F5's incredible display and processing power. This phone boasts a massive 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate. That means scrolling through social media, watching videos, and even gaming will be a buttery smooth experience. Powering this beautiful display is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Plus Generation 2 processor. This chipset is no slouch. It can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're a casual user or a power user, the Poco F5 has the performance to keep up with you. Let's move on to the camera. The Poco F5 packs a versatile triple camera system on the back, featuring a 64 megapixels main sensor, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide sensor, and a 2 megapixels macro sensor. This camera system allows you to capture stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition. And don't forget about the 16 megapixels front-facing camera, perfect for capturing those all-important selfies and video calls. We all hate running out of battery in the middle of the day. Well, with the Poco F5, you won't have to worry about that. This phone comes equipped with a massive 5000 mAh battery that will easily last you through a whole day, even with heavy use. And when you do need to top up, the Poco F5 supports 67 watts fast charging. That means you can go from zero to hero in no time at all. Let's talk about the most important factor for many of us, the price. The Poco F5 is a mid-range smartphone, which means it comes with a very attractive price tag. You're getting amazing features and performance without breaking the bank. Finally, let's not forget about the Poco experience. Poco phones are known for their focus on performance, user experience, and a touch of fun design. The Poco F5 is no exception. With MIUI 14 based on Android 13, you'll get a clean, customizable interface and all the latest features. Reasons why you should consider buying the Poco F5. If you're looking for a powerful and affordable smartphone with a long-lasting battery, amazing cameras, and a smooth display, then the Poco F5 is a great option for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos.